Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is artificial kidney and hemodialysis. We learned in the previous classes that kidney is the main organ for excretion of nitrogenous wastes and it also maintains the osmoregulation. If there is problem in the kidney, there is any disease or some damage is there in the kidney, these substances will not be, these harmful substances will not be removed from the body and they will get accumulated in the body, which will have ill or harmful effects on the body. So they must be removed from the body. When there is kidney failure or there is damage in the kidney, at that time either kidney is transplanted or we use artificial kidney. Artificial kidney is also called as hemodialyzer. It is actually a machine that is used to filter the blood of the person with kidney dysfunction by the process called as hemodialysis. ये जो आर्टिफिशियल किडनी है इसमें हम एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं, ये एक मशीन है जिसमें हम उस पर्सन का, उस पेशेंट का ब्लड फिल्टर करते हैं जिसको किडनी फेलियर है. तो किस तरीके से? बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ हीमोडायलिसिस. Hemodialysis is the process of separation of nitrogenous wastes and toxic substances from the body of the person with kidney dysfunction. How it works? Let's discuss. This artificial kidney works on the same principle as our normal kidney works. It works on the principle of dialysis. Dialysis means removal of harmful substances by the process of diffusion. The process of diffusion. And इसमें क्या किया जाता है? First, the blood of this patient is pumped out from the artery and that blood is made to flow in these tubes. These tubes are called as cellophane tubes. They are made from processed cellulose. So sometimes they are called as cellulose tubes. These cellophane tubes, they are coiled in a tank which is called as dialyzing tank. This tank contains the solution which is called as dialyzing solution. When blood flows through these cellophane tubes, that blood flows slowly, and this dialyzing solution is isotonic to the blood plasma. Means isotonic means this blood plasma and this dialyzing solution have the same concentration of solutes, both in these. That is called as isotonic when the concentration of solutes is same in both the solutions. This dialyzing solution, it is devoid of nitrogenous wastes. It contains all the concentration of all the solutes as that of the blood, but it is devoid of nitrogenous wastes like urea, uric acid, some salts. Then what happens when blood flows slowly in these cellophane tubes? These wastes, this urea will flow into the dialyzing solution. Why? By the process of diffusion. There is high concentration of urea in the cellophane tubes. There is nothing in the dialyzing solution. Then this urea, this uric acid, these wastes flow into they will diffuse into the dialyzing solution. In this way, blood is filtered, and substances like blood cells, like platelets, like large proteins, their size is too large. They cannot pass through these cellophane tubes, and this used dialyzing solution is taken out from here, and new solution is entered from this way. And when blood gets purified, when it gets filtered, when it gets removed, these wastes are removed from here, then this blood is pumped back into the patient's body through the vein. But when blood is allowed to move in these tubes, first this temperature of the blood is cooled, it is lowered to the 0 degree Celsius so that they may not expand, and also heparin is added to this blood in these tubes so that this heparin is anticoagulant. It doesn't allow the blood to coagulate here. When blood is pumped back into this patient's body, it is mixed with antiheparin, and also its temperature is increased, or this blood is warmed to the normal body temperature. And in this way, blood gets filtered, or it gets purified, or we can say these substances get removed by artificial kidney. Okay.